Fusion Markets.
As you come in here, you can do a search. Now you can see here, you've got a whole number of different brokers here, but what you can do is change your sources. So the best thing to do is just click that sources button that you see here, sources, and just type in Fusion Markets. As soon as I type that in, everything that I'm looking at will be, sorry, I should say everything that I'm looking at that we offer will be Fusion Markets. The other thing that you can do is once you've got those sources added in, it will automatically show you all of our pricing in those specific asset classes. So we've got indices, crypto, Forex. So you'll be able to easily find those sources here. And I would recommend that all of our traders that are here today come through and add that source in, and that way you're not getting confused and pulling up someone else's pricing. This one is imperative. So please make sure to do that.